got Mr. Miller out here today with Alan Miller's Bees Be Gone. We're going to try to get this big beehive here at the old water well. Mr. Miller's all suited up. I'm going to stand way back and get ready to jump in the truck if I have to. So we'll see what happens. Ooh, I don't know if I'd do that. Here they go. Holy smokes, look at them. Got the hell out of here. They start coming. I had some a couple years ago Mr. Miller got for me, and he killed one hive. It was 80,000. These were African bees now. The other one was like 70,000. They're up at the house. The old barn had the big hive, and then there was one also in the old other water well up at the house. But holy smokes, they're going after him. I don't know if we can hear the buzzing. Ooh, they're starting to come after me here. I'm gonna get out of here. Good afternoon.